Today, we're going to learn about how we can use boxes to work with our child and have some fun at the same time. A box can be an airplane. Pick up the flaps. Fly! A box can be something we hide in. A box can be a car that we ride in with all of our friends. Beep, beep! You can't fit in this car. A box can also be a great way to practice shapes and colors. Blue circle beanbag, red square beanbag. Whee! Whee! Great way to work on those gross motor skills. If you've got chalk or some crayons, it can also be a great way to color without making a mess everywhere, let's say. This is a piece of chalk. We can talk about the sounds. Ooh, that's loud. We can draw shapes. Circle. We can use different colors on the inside, on the outside. And guess what? When you're done, put it away. You did not hurt anything. So what do you think? We can use boxes for everything. I always say use what you have. You don't need to go out and buy anything. If you really like this, like my video and go to my Instagram @teachingfrugally. See you there, friends.